What's up, beauties, and welcome back to another Unapologetically Mercy video. Today I will show you how I attempted to wash my wig dome head. So let's get right on into it, and these are the things that you will need. So you will need some hot water, you'll need some Dawn soap, and you will also need some bleach and a nice little tool for you to scrub that head. Okay, so I'm gonna add all those lovely ingredients in there, and I'm gonna give it a nice little spin. Please note that I did this 2 times because the first result did not come out the way that I thought it would be. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Now that we have our water all soapy, all right, it's time to add that head in and just go and scrub and just get every part of that head. Do you feel me? Every last nook and cranny. Just take some time and rub that stuff in there. So once you've given it a nice scrub, rinse it out really well and let it air dry in some sunlight, or if you have a hooded dryer, do that too. But guess what? The gag is it came out looking like this after it dried. Huh? What is that? That's not what I was trying to go for. So guess what? I did it again, and this time I think I added some more soap, and I went in with an edge brush to get it to hopefully get into the nooks and crannies and hope for a different result. And I let it sit in the solution this time, and I also added baking soda. So let's see how it comes out after this. So you see, I'm just scrubbing my little life away. And I did not show you me scrubbing it with the edge brush, but it's basically the same thing that this scrubber is doing, just in, more smaller, intimate little, situations. But the gag is, I got the same result. And I don't know if it was because it wasn't sunny out, it was just a rainy day, or it just did not want me to be great. So I don't know.